On the Opside website, click on Opside Chain, and then click on Run a Miner. First, you need to select a rollup and stake at least 100,000 IDE. Connect your wallet. Click on Stake. Choose a ZK EVM and then click on Next. Enter the amount you want to stake. Click Stake. Confirm it in your wallet, and you will see that you have successfully staked 100,000 IDE. Next, set up the prover. Click on the link to access the official documentation. Since we have already staked, set up the prover service. Enter the prover server. Download and unzip the prover config tar file. Unzip it. Download the prover keys.tar file. We already downloaded in advance, not demonstrated in here. Unzip it. Make sure all the downloaded files are in the same directory. Download the ZK Prover image. Load the image. Modify the prover.config.json file. By replacing the IP address with the IP address of the aggregator service in the aggregator client host and database URL files. Next, set up the aggregator. The aggregator should not run on the same server as the prover. Prepare another machine to run the aggregator service. Download and unzip the aggregator.config.file.json. Download the genesis.json file, which is specific to the rollup you selected. Each rollup has its own JSON file. You can download it here. Let's take Opside public ZK VM as an example. Click and copy the URL to download it. Prepare the key store. Download the open source tool provided in the Opside documentation. Give it executable permissions. Generate the key store. Replace the PK with the private key of your staked IDE wallet. Set a complex password to encrypt the private key. Modify the output directory on the key store file. Move the key store file out of its current directory. Rename it as aggregator.keystore. Download the ZKVM node image. Load the image. Modify the node.config.tom file. You need to make modifications in the sections Etherman, Synchronizer, Aggregator, and ETH Manager. The contents of Etherman and Synchronizer depend on the rollup you selected. Each rollup has different content for these two sections. You can find them here. The Opside public ZKVM as an example. Replace the original content with the provided content. Back to aggregator service. Replace send address with the wallet address of your staked IDE. And replace password with the password used to encrypt the private key. Don't change the path. Now you can start running the nodes for mining. First, navigate to the directory where you stored the aggregator related files. Check if all the files are complete. Then run the service. Check the logs. When you see trusted state fully synchronized, it means the synchronization is complete. Only when synchronization is complete, you can proceed to the next step. Run the prover-related services. Enter the prover server. Go to the directory where you stored the prover-related files, and check if all the files are complete. Run the prover service. Switch to the aggregator server. Run the remaining aggregator services. Congratulations! Your miner is now successfully running. Check the logs